Most travelers believe carry-on rules are simple. This video explains which carry-on items are quietly being rejected in 2026, why this is happening, and how travelers can avoid problems before reaching the airport. This is not about panic. This is about understanding how enforcement has shifted. Carry-on rules are not controlled by a single authority. They are influenced by airline policy, aircraft type, destination regulations, airport congestion, and safety enforcement. In 2026, airlines are under pressure to board faster, reduce delays, and manage limited overhead space. As a result, enforcement has moved earlier in the process and become less flexible. Many items that were tolerated in the past are now flagged, not because they are dangerous, but because they create operational problems. Oversized soft bags are a growing issue. One of the most common problems in 2026 is soft carry-on bags. Unlike hard cases, soft bags expand. Even if they meet size requirements when empty, they often exceed limits once packed. Airlines are increasingly rejecting overstuffed backpacks, expandable duffel bags, and soft rolling bags pushed beyond limits. At the gate, staff may require the bag to fit a sizing frame, weigh the bag, or deny carry-on approval. If the bag fails and cannot be checked quickly, boarding may be denied. Many travelers assume personal items are flexible. In 2026, they are not. Airlines now enforce limits on handbags, laptop cases, camera bags, and small backpacks. Passengers attempting to carry a carry-on bag, plus a backpack, plus a purse, are increasingly stopped. Gate agents are trained to count items, not judge size. Even small additional bags can trigger rejection. Lithium batteries are not new, but enforcement has tightened. Carry-on issues arise with large power banks, spare batteries without labeling, damaged battery packs, and high-capacity chargers. Some airlines reject items that technically pass security because airline safety policies differ from airport screening rules. If a gate agent identifies a battery concern, they may refuse carry-on approval, rather than risk compliance issues. Passing security does not guarantee carry-on acceptance. In 2026, some liquids are flagged at the gate due to quantity concerns, container type, or destination rules. Examples include duty-free liquids on tight connections, medical liquids without documentation, and containers that exceed airline limits. If there is uncertainty, airlines often choose refusal over risk. Food rules vary by destination, but enforcement is definitely increasing. Commonly rejected items include fresh produce, unpackaged foods, and liquids disguised as food. Even if food passed security, airlines may reject carry-on approval if destination entry rules are unclear. This is especially common on international flights. Certain accessories are drawing more attention in 2026. These include bulky neck pillows that attach to bags, seat organizers filled with items, and wearable storage accessories. While not banned, these items increase the size or complexity of carry-on loads. Gate agents may require removal or denial if they interfere with cabin space. Weight limits are becoming more common, even on airlines that previously ignored them. Carry-ons that are visibly heavy, difficult to lift, or maybe just unstable, may be weighed at the gate. If weight limits are exceeded, airlines may require checking the bag, or even deny boarding if time does not allow. Most carry-on rejections happen quietly. Passengers often do not realize why their bag was rejected, which rule applied, or whether it could have been avoided. Airlines honestly rarely debate these decisions. Gate staff are instructed to act quickly and consistently. The safest approach in 2026 is honestly conservative packing. Travelers reduce risk by using rigid carry-on bags, staying well below size limits, limiting personal items, avoiding expandable features, and, keeping electronics organized. If something feels borderline, it probably is. Carry-on rules in 2026 are less about what is allowed and more about what causes problems. Items are rejected not because travelers break rules intentionally, but because enforcement has tightened quietly. Prepared travelers experience fewer delays. In upcoming videos, we will continue breaking down these changes so you can travel with clarity and confidence.